Hello, everyone. Today we are learning the English names of the planets. Can you say them with me? Let's start. This is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Very hot during the day, freezing at night. Repeat, Mercury. This is Venus. Venus is called the morning star or evening star. Repeat, Venus, Venus. Say slowly, now it's Earth. Earth is our home, the third planet from the Sun. Repeat, Earth. This is Mars. Mars is the red planet. Repeat, Mars. One day on Mars is almost the same as on Earth. Look at Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. It has a big storm called the Great Red Spot. Repeat, Jupiter. This is Saturn. Saturn has beautiful rings made of ice and rocks. Repeat, Saturn. Say slowly. Saturn. Next is Uranus. Uranus rotates on its side and is very cold. Repeat, Uranus. This is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Strong winds there. Repeat, Neptune. Let's say all the planets together. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Great job! You learned all 8 planets in English. Which planet's your favorite? Write it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more English lessons. See you next time.